Hello, good morning, students. Welcome back your chemistry class once again. So today will be continue with a new article in the chapter number is your 4, that is structure of atom. So student, today will be discussing new article that is your isotopes and isobar. These are the two articles in your last in this chapter, and after that this chapter is your close. Okay, that means your chemistry section is a complete. Okay, so firstly we discuss your isotope, then after we will be continue with the isobar. Okay. So students, I am using some reference. I am using a reference book because this is important topic or isotope and isovar. Okay, so isotope is what that is the isotopes are the atom of the same elements which have सेम एटॉमिक नंबर बट डिफरेंट मास नंबर. आइसोटॉप्स हमारे पास क्या रहेंगे? आइसोटॉप्स क्या होता है? एटम ऑफ द सेम एलिमेंट. एटम ऑफ द सेम एलिमेंट रहता है, उसका एटॉमिक नंबर भी सेम रहेगा बट डिफरेंट क्या रहेगा? दैट इज योर मास नंबर, दैट इज योर आइसोटॉप्स. ओके, सो वी कंक्लूड दैट अबाउट दिस isotopes of an element differ only in the number of neutron present in the nucleus. They have differ only the number of neutrons present in your nucleus. Okay, so they have an example in your front of you related your isotopes. First is the isotope of hydrogens. They have represented in your this form. Okay, so this is hydrogen. All you know that how to represent the atomic number and mass number like this. So this is atomic number and this is your mass number present in your top of the position. Okay, 111, that is atomic number for hydrogen. So hydrogen has a three isotopes. Okay, this is your protium, this is your deuterium, and this is your tritium. Okay, so that is marked in your upper in the hydrogen, that is your number of neutrons in present. Okay, and this is your protons. Okay, after that this is called as protium, deuterium, and tritium. First one is protium, second is deuterium, and third one is your tritium. Okay, each of them has atomic number 1 and each of them contain proton and proton in the nucleus. Okay, so here we that is we called as number of neutrons is equal to mass number minus atomic number. You have already learned in the online class how to calculate the number of neutrons. So protium has 0 number of neutrons, deuterium has 1 neutron, and deuterium has a 2 neutrons in the nucleus. And the three isotope of hydrogen may be represented by in this pattern. This is the representation for a three isotope of hydrogen, that is protium, deuterium, and tritium. This is ordinary hydrogen. This is used. Okay, जो हम presently use करते हैं that is ordinary hydrogen. This is a deuterium, that is a second isotope of hydrogen, and this is for making a heavy water. Okay, that be represented by D. Okay, and that be represented by like this pattern 2H1. Okay, heavy water. And this is third, that is tritium, and that is used as a radioactive substance. That's why we here we mention is your radioactive isotope. Similarly, carbon is mainly consist of two isotope, that is your C612 and C614. Both have the same atomic number 6 but different it's a mass number 12 and 14. 6 proton present in the first one, and that is the 8 neutrons, sorry, 6 proton and present and 6 neutron present in the first. Okay, and this second isotope has a 6 proton and 8 neutron in the nucleus. Both have the same number of electron, that is 6 and 6. Okay, but differ it's a mass number. Okay, so students, this is also mentioned in your book. Okay, this is the structure for isotope of carbon first, and this is your second. Okay, C612 and C614. Similarly, isotope for oxygen. Okay, they have also three isotope of oxygen, that is oxygen 816, oxygen 817, oxygen 818. Atomic number same, mass number different, number of proton is same, but differ it's the number of neutrons, and number of electron is also same. This is also mentioned in this form. And similarly for chlorine, chlorine have also two isotope, that is your chlorine 1735 and chlorine 1737. Atomic number same, mass number different, number of proton is same, and number of electron is same, but differ in the number of neutrons. So they have the representation for a isotopes of chlorine. Okay, so have some characteristics of isotope is they have the same atomic number, नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स एंड नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. जितने भी आइसोटोप्स रहेंगे हमारे पास, उसका एटॉमिक नंबर, नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स एंड नंबर ऑफ न्यू इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, एवरीवन हियर सेम. डिफरेंट क्या रहेगा? मास नंबर एंड नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन्स, वो हमारे पास डिफर करते हैं आइसोटॉप्स में। थर्ड कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स, सेम केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज, जितने भी आइसोटॉप है, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल दिस इज क्लोरीन 2 आइसोटॉप, दे हैव द सेम केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी, ओके, बिकॉज दे हैव द सेम नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रेजेंट इन द एलिमेंट। डिफरेंट क्या रहेगा इसका, फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी, कैसे, बिकॉज फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी लाइक योर मेल्टिंग पॉइंट, बॉइलिंग पॉइंट इज योर डिफर, बिकॉज हियर इज मास नंबर इज योर डिफर, that's why they have the different melting and boiling points. And last is the characteristic, that is your different nuclear properties, ठीक है, हर कोई अपनी जो न्यूक्लियर प्रॉपर्टी है लाइक रेडिएक्टिव नेचर है, दे हैव द डिफरेंट, बिकॉज आपने देखा जैसे हमारे पास हाइड्रोजन का फर्स्ट, सेकंड और थर्ड, सो सेकंड इज ऑर्डिनरी, सेकंड वन इज योर ड्यूटेरियम दैट इज फॉर मेकिंग हैवी वाटर्स, एंड थर्ड वन इज यूज फॉर एज अ रेडियो एक्टिव सब्सटेंस. Similarly, C14 for carbon, that is also used in a radioactive, okay, and these are the radioactive isotopes, okay. So students, next is your how to calculate the average atomic mass of chlorine, okay. मोस्टली आपने देखा होगा कि हम राइट करते हैं 35.5 फॉर क्लोरीन एटॉमिक मास. सो दिस इज कैलकुलेट बाय यूजिंग ऑफ टू आइसोटॉप ऑफ chlorine. This is your mass number, okay, and this is just the percentage presence of chlorine in the abundance of the atmosphere, ठीक है. So they have to be calculate the average atomic mass, okay. Here is your first isotope that is present in 75% and this is your present in the 25%. Okay, so you can be calculate the average atomic mass of chlorine, that is a 35.5 U. Okay, next is your some application, okay, for isotope. So isotope of uranium is treated as a fuel in the nuclear reaction. Okay, isotope of uranium is used as a nuclear reaction. Isotope of cobalt is used in the treatment for cancer, and isotope of iodine is used in the treatment of goiter. ठीक है, सो दीज आर द एप्लीकेशन फॉर आइसोटॉप्स. जितने भी आइसोटॉप्स हैं हर किसी का अपना अपना एप्लीकेशन, अपना अपना इंपॉर्टेंस है फॉर डिफरेंट फील्ड्स के लिए, ओके. नेक्स्ट इज योर आइसोबार. So let us consider two element, that is your calcium, atomic number is 20, and argon, the atomic number is 18, okay. So next is the isobar. What is, have taken two example of that is element, calcium is atomic number 20 and argon is the 18. The number of proton in this atom is different, proton number is different, here 20, here is 18, but the mass number of both the element is 40. इन दोनों का मास कितना रहेगा 40, बट प्रोटॉन्स क्या रहेंगे यहाँ पे डिफरेंट. सो दैट इज द टोटल नंबर ऑफ न्यूक्लियॉन्स, द टोटल नंबर ऑफ न्यूक्लियॉन्स इन द सेम इन द एटम ऑफ पेयर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स. सो एटम ऑफ डिफरेंट एलिमेंट विद डिफरेंट एटॉमिक नंबर विच हैव द सेम मास नंबर आर नोन एज आइसोबार. आइसोबार्स हमारे पास क्या रहेंगे, एटॉमिक नंबर डिफर करेगा बट उनका जो मास नंबर है दे हैव बोथ द सेम. हियर इज कैल्शियम इज 14 mass number and similarly argon is also 40 the mass number, okay, but is atomic number 18 for argon, and here is the calcium is your 20, but here is different for the atomic number and same for the mass number. These are called isobar, okay students. So this is about your today the topics, okay. So here we completed your fourth chapter, that is structure of atom, and overall we completed your chemistry section, okay. So I am sending you some notes related these topic with NCERT question. Do and understand what is isotope, isobar, atomic number and all over these chapter, okay. In case of anyone students related problem, any topics, any queries, so you can just drop a message in my WhatsApp number. I can resolve personally and well as a in the one take of online class, so I can resolve, okay. So thank you and have a nice day students.